Hi, Timothy Unger here, and in this video I'm going to just demonstrate one argument passed into a function in C. So we've got our main function and our header file included, but I need to go above that and make a function prototype. Okay, so this function is going to be type integer, and it's going to be called Dean's underscore age, and it's going to take in one integer, and I'm going to call that season. Okay, and I'm going to put two spaces, and just make a comment. This is a function prototype. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to go down here, and what I want to do in my main function is create an integer called season and an integer called age. So I'm going to declare those. And I'm going to put in what season of Supernatural I want to know Dean's age in. And let's say it's season 7. And I'm going to set the age variable equal to this function Dean's age with the season variable passed into it. Okay. And I'm going to then print f Dean is, we're going to pass in an integer, %d for the age, in season, and then we're going to pass in another integer, which is going to be the season. Put an exclamation point, a /n to bring it down to the new line, and we have to pass in the age and the season here. Okay, so that's our main function. At the end, I will return 0. Okay, now I'm going to go down below here and create the Dean's age function. So I'm going to have to say what type it is. It's an integer, Dean's age, and you'll see why in a moment. And we're taking in an integer season. And then what I'm doing in there is I'm creating an integer that's local to the function called initial age. It's going to be his age at the start of Supernatural. And then I'm going to create another integer called result, which we're going to return with the age after what season we pick. So again, we're going to have the initial age. We're going to set that equal to 25 because in season 1, he is 26. You'll see why I'm doing it 25 in a moment. And I'm going to say result equals initial age plus season. Okay, so if it's season 1, that would be 26. Okay, 25 plus 1 is 26. At the end of this function, we want to return an integer because it is of type int. So we're going to return the result. Okay, so I am going to now save that, and let's open a terminal. I'm going to open eShell, and let's increase the size here, and let's compile this. The name of the file is Dean's age, one argument. I'm going to output Dean's age, one argument. And I've got an issue. So seems like I forgot a semicolon. So let's now exit out of here and fix that. Okay. So let me take a look. Somewhere I may have forgotten the semicolon. And it's right here at the function prototype. So the compiler, I'll leave that error in because the compiler lets me know that, hey, you made an error. And I haven't shown you some of the errors that I've made along the way. You make plenty of errors. So anyways, let's now go back to eShell. And let's increase that again. And let's rerun that. Okay, so now there's no errors. And when you do this more often, you get better at picking out and seeing the error quickly. I was able to quickly determine that that was a semicolon error. But initially, when you start, you're going to be spending a lot of time trying to figure out what the error is from. Okay, I'm going to run this, and we can see from this that Dean is 32 in season 7. So that was an example of passing one argument into a function of type integer and then having that function return an integer back. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you found the mistake interesting and the debugging process along associated with that. If you did find this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.